Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter the recovery mode on your Android phone. So if something is just wrong, you can clear the data, you can enter safe mode, you can update your phone, etc. So what you want to do is just hold down the power button and then just turn off your phone and go to power off. Now if your screen is frozen or stuck, you can hold down the volume down key and the power button, and this will force turn off your phone and restart it. Now when your screen is black though, you want to press the volume up key and the power button. Now if you're a Samsung user, you might have that Bixby button over here. You're going to have to hold down that button too. So you have to hold down 3 buttons. Normal Android users just hold down the power key and the volume up key, just like this. Now you're going to have to hold it down until the name of your phone goes away. So you're going to see Honor, you might see Samsung, TCL, whatever. And when that goes away, let go of all the buttons. Otherwise, it's just going to restart your phone and it's going to be frustrating. So just continue to hold this down. It should go away after about 10 seconds, depending on the speed of your specific phone. Let go. I no longer see it. Now I see the recovery options. And let's zoom in a little bit so I can see. I got restart, clear data, update mode, or safe mode. So to move up and down, use the arrow keys down, then select with the power button. So go to the one you want. Clear data will just erase everything from your phone like it was nude. You can update your phone. You can go into safe mode. Maybe there's an issue with your phone and safe mode will help you out. So if you are frozen or something and now it's working, just go to restart right here. But those are the different options in the recovery mode. That's how you get there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.